What if I told you that skipping one simple step in your home buying process could cost you $15,000 or more in unexpected repairs? That's exactly what happened to the Johnson family last month in the Somerset County. Picture this: the Johnsons found their dream home in Somerset County. 3 bedrooms, perfect backyard, great school district. They were so excited that when their agent suggested waiving their home inspection to make their offer more competitive, they agreed without hesitation. 2 months after moving in, they discovered major electrical issues throughout the house. The previous homeowner had DIY'd some questionable wiring that wasn't up to code. Then came the leaky roof during April showers. And finally, they found evidence of termite damage in the basement. Total repair cost over $15,000. That wasn't in their budget. That's money they could have used for new furniture, landscaping, or simply kept as savings. But here's the truth: this situation was completely avoidable. So, what are your options when buying in today's competitive Central Jersey market? Option one: get a comprehensive pre inspection before submitting your offer. This gives you the confidence in your offer price and helps you avoid unexpected surprises later. Option two: keep the inspection contingency but shorten the timeline. Most inspectors in our area can complete a thorough inspection within 3 to 5 days, which doesn't significantly delay the process. Option three: if you absolutely must waive the full inspection to win in multiple offer situation, at least get a specialized inspection focusing on the most expensive items: roof, foundation, HVAC, and electrical. According to a recent 2025 report, 88% of the home inspections uncover at least one issue that would have gone unnoticed by the average buyer. That, that's why professional inspectors are worth every penny. If you're looking to buy a home in Middlesex, Mercer, or Somerset counties this spring, don't gamble with the possibility of the biggest investment of your life. Get in touch with me today for my trusted list of qualified home inspectors who know our Central Jersey housing stock inside and out. I'm here to help you make the smart, informed decisions throughout your real estate journey. Because, in my experience, best deals aren't just about getting the lowest price, they're about avoiding costly surprises down the road. This is your Central Jersey real estate expert signing off. Until next time.